Here I'm going to show you three different ways to select an object in your photo. First of all, open the photo in your Photoshop and select the image layer, and then go to select and just click on subject, and this will automatically select your image subject in just few seconds. Once selected, you can now just click on this mask icon to remove your object or subject background. And now let's see the second option. Go to tool panel and right click on this quick selection tool, and here you will find this object selection tool. Select this object selection tool, and now all you have to need, hover over on your object and just click anywhere on your object, and this will automatically select your object. Now you can just click on select and mask, and here you can add a feather to your image. You can add just contrast, and then click on OK, and just click on this mask icon, and here we can see the object successfully cut out. And now let's see the last option to select an object. Go to your tool panel, and here you have to select this quick selection tool, and then just select your object just like this. You can make this selection bigger and smaller by pressing the minus and plus key on your keyboard, or the first bracket on your keyboard. And to deselect any selection, hold down the Alt key, and then you will be able to deselect anything. So that's how you can actually select subject and object in Photoshop.